I believe that open houses are going to make a major comeback. And the reason why I believe that is this. You see, one of the conversations I'm having with the agents that I'm coaching is that open houses in this new world, post the NAR settlement changes going into effect in every market across the country after August 17th, I believe they will serve the purpose similar to that of a new construction open house. You see, the reason why most new construction sites have a model where they employ a full-time salesperson to sit there 6-7 days a week is because it works. And when I say it works, what I mean by that specifically is this, that when somebody is interested in purchasing a new construction, yes, sometimes they have a real estate agent who represents them, and in that process, they come across a new construction opportunity. However, the vast majority or a large portion of how new construction is sold is that the buyers go directly to the product. They go directly to that model or that site. They meet with that salesperson who's working at that model. And that is how a lot of new construction sales take place. I believe a larger portion of buyers, not all, but a larger portion of buyers will end up going directly to the product the way we see home buyers that buy new construction do. When I say go directly to the product, what do I mean? I mean that they would go directly to the listing agent. And so as a result of that, open houses will actually be a mechanism to help get the property sold.